Magik Polish Powder. Magik Polish Powder is high-performance polish restoration powder. Surface should be clean, dust-free and moisture-free. Sprinkle Magik Polish Powder on the surface. Add clean water in ratio of 1:4 to get a workable liquid paste. Start buffing it with a single disc machine which has an RPM of 160 to 180 using a red polishing pad. After a bright crystallizing effect is seen on the surface, wipe off the paste substance to a next operating area using a wiper. Continue to polish the rest of the area by adding a bit of additional Magik Polish Powder. Clean the floor with clean water and dry the floor after the entire process is completed. It is recommended to buff with dry white pad after the surface dries. The surface is ready to use immediately. Useful in enhancing the gloss of marble, granite and limestone. It is also capable of removing dull edges and surface scratches.